Hi there traders and investors, today's Friday, September 29. Yesterday the market got to know the revised US GDP which didn't change from the previous estimate. A weekly update on unemployment claims locked another modest increase last week. Now let's discuss my trading ideas. The first chart to discuss is gold. The price rebounded vigorously from the swing low recorded in February 2023. The bounce was 1,500 bips. The price bounded a swing high that emerged in the New York session yesterday. Gold is a trend-following instrument. Today, the economic calendar contains the PCE price index. I won't be surprised if the swing high on the 15-minute chart will turn into resistance. It might happen the gold won't be able to pass it. From the current price, we may go short, setting a stop loss 700 pips up and a take profit 1,500 pips down. A profit-loss ratio could be 2-to-1. The pound-dollar pair also perked up in confidence. I've told you about the swing high of March 2023. The instrument has not approached it yet. All in all, I predict 1.5 days to go long. The overall downtrend may be interrupted by a nice upward correction now and then. It's a good opportunity for those who bought this sterling. They could book profits from greed positions. If the pound closes on Friday today at the current level, the instrument will form a pin bar on the weekly chart. Some action might follow. I don't like such extreme pin bars. I like trading opportunities in the course of a trend when a rally is followed by a slump. Then comes engulfing. Then bang, the price leaps. I want to confess that I earned the fattest profits in weekly time frames after weekly setups over my vast trading experience. I would advise you to be careful about weekly setups. It's not the best idea to buy the sterling because of the 1 week pin bar. When the pound was falling last year, a slew of pin bars were formed downward on the chart. Steady trends developed after the chart showed trend reversal setups and formed trendy pin bars. Meanwhile, the British pound has been growing, but it doesn't mean that the downtrend has been destroyed and we could set a target at 1.35. Technically, there was a swing low in the European session yesterday. We couldn't take advantage of it in any time frame. The instrument had a buy impulse in the European session without any pullbacks. Perhaps large banks rushed to fix profits or short positions. Perhaps the market had fears ahead of Powell's speech. The euro-dollar pair is making interesting moves. I tried to sell the pair today with a tight stop loss of about 200 pips. The idea was to sell from that swing high. I assumed that the euro should trade lower. The instrument halted its decline exactly at the lows of the year. After the new year, the euro dropped to 1.0483. The odds are that the euro could revisit its one-year lows and activate stop losses of large players who hide their risk below one-year lows. My idea is to wait for swing lows. Today I tried to sell from a swing high. The price went wrong and I lost some money. The instrument could close with a false breakout today. I assume a sell impulse today so that the price will form an interim target. If there is no sell impulse today, we could try our luck selling from the old swing high of September 25. The downward target is almost 1,300 pips from the current level. So I'm now planning short positions to enter the market during the American session. The current price is too high to buy the euro. Unlike the pound, the euro produced a swing low and then a three-wave ascending structure. It makes sense to plan short positions. Still, nice upward targets are left for buyers. We could plan hitting them if we go long from swing lows. The dollar-yen pair went down sharply today. I'm not sure if it's a clear-cut trend reversal. Someone would be interested in a swing high generated in the European session today. We could sell the yen and in this way hedge long positions on the euro. If we go short on the yen-dollar pair, a stop loss could be set to 100 pips up. There's an upward target which is likely to be broken soon. That's all I wanted to tell you today. See you online soon and good luck.